Greetings! Welcome to my lecture capture on lecture capture. I'm going to walk you through a few different lecture capture options. The first one I'm going to talk about today, I'm actually going to talk about 5 of them that we have available for everybody to use here on campus. The first one I'm going to talk about is Echo 360. So right now I am inside of an Echo 360. So you can see me, I'm probably in the upper right hand corner. Sharing my screen here, that's over on the right. And you can hear me. So we call it the trifecta lecture capture. You can see what I'm doing, you can see me, and you can hear me talk about what I'm doing on the screen. So that's the trifecta that I refer to. But the first one is the Echo 360 system. There's actually several rooms on campus that have this system in it. We have this on our Tech Tools page. But all of these rooms, so we have Armstrong 214, Armstrong 309, Armstrong 311. We have Morris Hall 209, Morris Hall 102, Nelson 03, we think 367, this is a School of Nursing one, and then ML 94A, which is down in the Faculty Resource Center, or otherwise known as the TNT. That's where I am today. So, lecture capture. The system here is called Echo 360. This is the vendor. This probably will not be around a whole lot longer, but it is available now for us to use. There's basically 3 steps to doing this. Each one of you, if you want to do this, I recommend that you sit down with me and schedule like a 15-minute meeting, and we can go to the room in which you want to do the echo at, and we can walk you through the steps and get you familiar with it and everything else. So this is Echo 360. What do you think?
Hi, and welcome to my second example. The second way of lecture capture that I'd like to talk to you about is Screencast-O-Matic. Now, maybe some of you have used this, maybe some of you haven't. The reason I like Screencast-O-Matic is, again, you get the trifecta, so you can see me, you can hear me, and you can see what I'd like to share on my screen. So what I like about it is it's completely free to use. It's all web-based. You just go to their website and start recording. It downloads a little Java applet on your computer, and then you're good to go. You can set up a user account if you want, and it'll actually store all of these out on their server if you want. Otherwise, you can just use it for free and have no login at all and just download this video when you're all done as an MP4. So unlike Echo 360, in which we just saw, Echo 360, the playback is flash, which won't play on iPads or will not play on iPhones. However, this is an MP4, so it'll play on all of that mobile technology, which is definitely a benefit. There is only 15 minutes of recording with the free version. You can play, go out here and get the Pro version, and it gives you information about the Pro version, so it's $15. But then you have unlimited recording time, which is really nice if you want to talk more than the 15 minutes. So this is Screencast-O-Matic. A couple things that I do like about it. It has a halo whenever I'm moving my mouse. I can turn that on or off. And also when I click on things, it has like a blue button there. There are a lot of tutorials on their website to get you started. But it is free. It has the trifecta, 15 minutes of recording information out here. Pretty boring website, but really cool tool. What do you think? Welcome to number 3. This is Camtasia. Now I'm using Camtasia for the Mac. There's either Camtasia Studio or there's Camtasia for the Mac. Camtasia Studio is a little bit more robust, a few more features than Camtasia for the Mac. But the latest version for the Mac version came out just a short while ago. In both of these, a couple things that you can do that you cannot do in Echo 360 or in Screencast-O-Matic is you can edit it. So if you make mistakes, you can edit out your video. You can also add in more videos. This is another video you can add to your Camtasia video. Pretty cool, huh? You can add in background music if you want to. So it's more of almost a video production that you can make changes and edits to it. Whereas with Echo, you can edit somewhat, but not really. And Screencast-O-Matic, it's what you record is what you're going to get. So Camtasia gives you a little bit more video editing. However, with it comes a little bit more of a learning curve. Not a big learning curve, but there's definitely that learning curve there. This software, unfortunately, is not free. It's owned by TechSmith, which owns Jing, if anybody's ever used Jing before, Snagit, Camtasia, Camtasia Relay, which I'm going to talk about next, and then also Screencast.com, where you can store your videos, so you can use all of that if you want to. Jing, of course, is for free. Screencast, where you store your videos, is for free. You get 5 gigabytes for free. But Camtasia Studio is about $160 educational price, and Camtasia for the Mac is about $99 for the Mac for educational price. So, but very fun software. I use Camtasia quite a bit. A lot of editing options within it. And you can either upload this right to YouTube if you want to. You can download it as an MP4, an MOV file. A lot of different exporting or publishing options are included with the Camtasia software. So very fun, very cool. And this is something, if you guys have questions on how to use it, I can definitely be helpful there and teach you how to use the software. But very cool to have the trifecta again. You can see me, you can see what I'm sharing, this particular screen, and then you can also hear me. So what do you think? Hello and greetings from option number 4. This is Camtasia Relay. This is so new that I haven't even played with it yet. We have it installed on our servers here, and Jeff Henline is playing with it. Hopefully I'm set to get a demo this week yet. But this will give you the same functionality as Camtasia, but you'll be able to do this anywhere. I really like their website because it talks about how this can be used in education. A couple of things that I really like about it: flip your classroom by recording lectures, so applying the flipped theory of learning so your students can review this information outside of class. Also talks about, for hybrid or online classes, for recording information, a lot of the good information that we've been talking about. And also how you can use it for business, which we're not business, we're education, but it has information out there that could still somewhat apply to us. So this is Camtasia Relay. We hope to be getting this running hopefully by spring semester. I'm sure we'll probably be looking for people to test it out for us. So if you are interested in learning more about it, please let me know. Like I said, I have yet to touch it, but I'm very excited about this. This is in the same family as Camtasia. It's owned by TechSmith, so very neat tool, applying that same trifecta. We can see what you're doing, we can see you, and we can hear you. So this is Camtasia Relay, coming soon. So what do you think? And last but certainly not least is our recording studio. Coming soon. This is a picture of it. It's going to be down in the Faculty Resource Center, otherwise known as the TNT. Kind of where the pop cooler is, just right around the corner from there. But this is going to be a room that you're going to be able to go into just all by yourself, have a little podium that you can actually run your presentation from or whatever it is you'd like to share, and then a camera on you that will record your entire lecture. So again, the trifecta. We'll be able to see you, hear you, and see what you're sharing with the class, or in other words, yourself in that room. But it's going to have all of these different mechanisms all within this one room. So this is why I had mentioned before that echo is probably going to go away, because we came to find that faculty don't really want to record their live lectures. They want to record them to put them into their hybrid or online class. Also, people have used it if they're going to be out of town. Maybe they're unfortunately have to be at a funeral or something and can't be at class. They record their lecture and then play it in class sometimes. So this is why the recording studio is going to be so nice. So you can see right now, this is what it looks like today, Monday, October 8th. This has all been ordered, so it's going to be coming soon, hopefully up and running for spring. So if you have any questions on this coming soon feature of the recording studio, please let me know. I can assist with that in any way. So I hope you enjoyed my lecture capture on all the different ways that you can lecture capture. As always, please let me, Jude, Jeff Henline, Shannon Jeffries, any of us on the academic team know if you have any questions. We are here to assist and here to help and help make your lecture capture possibilities come true. So let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching.